Congratulations on taking the first step towards making your business official. Now that you're mining for a gem of your own in the Diamond State, there are a few things you should know about forming an LLC in Delaware. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend that you search your Secretary of State's website to ensure your business name isn't already in use for an existing business within your state. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your business name might be taken by someone else in the meantime, you can reserve it. In Delaware, names can be reserved for up to 120 days by paying a fee and submitting paperwork to the state authority. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is the person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When it comes time to choose an RA, be sure to choose one who's available during regular business hours and has an address in the state of Delaware. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC with the Delaware Division of Corporations. This information is commonly referred to as your Articles of Organization, but in Delaware, it's called the Certificate of Formation. This includes basic business information like your LLC's name and address, and can typically be filed online or by mail. When your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business entity. Fourth, you should draft an operating agreement, which is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC. Unlike some states, Delaware does not require you to file or draw up an operating agreement. That said, these agreements can be vital if disputes or litigation arise. The next step is to get your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like a social security number for your business, and is necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. Finally, you should get any specific permits or licenses, like a zoning permit or a liquor license that your business may need. You should also note that Delaware LLCs are required to pay an alternative entity tax, sometimes called an annual tax, each year. You can generally expect this to be due on or before June 1st. You won't have to worry about that right away, though. The first report isn't due until the year after your LLC is formed. Of course, there can be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. Once you're ready, we'll be there to help you get started at LegalZoom.com.